y'all, it's Kasia, and today I'm going to be showing y'all how I laid this closure. Stay tuned. So I'm going to start off with freshly washed and blow dry hair. I'm going to be using my rat tail comb with the silver tip, and I'm going to start from my nose and make a perfect middle part back. Then I'm going to tie off half of my hair into a little ponytail so that I can get it out the way so I can begin braiding. So I'm going to take a kind of small part, but not too small, not too thin, but just big enough for me to make a flat braid in the front. So I'm going to part that off and pin the rest back. Then I'm going to begin braiding it downward. So I'm just going to do a regular flat cornrow. It's nothing to it, just a regular braid. I'm going to braid that all the way down. And then I'm going to braid the next braid. And I'm going to add this braid into that braid. And you'll see that coming up next. So now I've parted off the section for my second braid, and I'm just going to go ahead and braid that down. You're going to notice as I continue to go back in my braids that they're going to get bigger. I'm making sure they're flatter in the front and smaller, and then it doesn't matter how big they are in the back because it's going to get covered up. Then I'm going to go ahead and add in this next braid that's in front of it. And I'm just going to braid that all the way down. And I'm going to repeat that with the next braids. And I'm going to do that all the way around my head. But I'm just going to show you guys this half. And then I'm going to do the other half off camera.
I've been flexing so damn hard, I put in work. I'ma show these haters how to put in work. If your family needs your nigga, put in work. Out here grinding so damn hard, I'm in the dirt. Your nigga out here eating, put in work, nigga. It ain't no fucking cheating, put in work, nigga. I need to feed the sheeps, I put in work, nigga. Getting money season, put in work, nigga. My mama told me you ain't gotta make it work. Don't you never let these niggas ever see you hurt. They don't wanna see you make it, rather see you hurt. Believe in God and he gon' help you make it work. They do so much shit, I'm making lose that. Need me a new house so I can cool that. Need me a new whip so I can.
Okay, so now that I'm done braiding my hair down, I'm going to go ahead and open up my net. And I'm going to put that over half of my hair. So I'm just going to push those braids in the back up, basically tuck them in. They're going to be flat underneath the wig anyway. So I'm going to go ahead and put on my wig. Then I'm going to put down some edge control and slick my edges down so that I can smooth them and make my wig look more natural. Okay, so now that I've brushed it, I'm gonna make sure it's in the right spot. Then I'm gonna pull it back, take my 24-hour edge tamer and put it all over my edges. And then I'm going to put that also on the part just so I can use it as an adhesive to stick down my closure as well. But right now I'm just slicking down my baby hair the way that I like them. You can do yours any way that you like yours. But I like to do, little swoops or whatever. And yeah, I'm just doing that. And then I'm gonna go ahead and pull my wig back down, and then I'm gonna begin to sew. So I'm gonna sew one side down, then I'm gonna sew the other. I think I'm just gonna show you all one side. So yeah. So I decided to show y'all my right side. I'm just gonna go ahead and pull the wig down, and I'm gonna go in with the part that's next to the closure. I'm not sewing the closure part down. I'm just sewing the wig cap on the sides, so right below the closure onto the braid that I showed y'all. I'm not sewing it too tight. I just want it to be tight enough to stay on and not slide back. I only sew the sides down because the wig is pretty tight and I don't need to sew it down in the back, or I don't need to sew the closure down either. If you want to on your wig, you can, but I'm just gonna go ahead and sew it down a few times and then cut off the end. And now I'm done because I already sewed the other side down before. Ew, I look like Wanda off Holiday Heart. What the hell? Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and brush my hair, and we finna be lit. Okay, so now I'm done brushing my hair, and as you can see, we're lit, sus. We are lit. Look at that closure looking flawless. Okay, look at this color. Look at this weave. Look at this shine. Hey, weave this. Weave this. Hey, weave this. Okay, so as y'all can see, this closure is lit. Turn up, turn up, turn up, turn up, turn up, turn up. Y'all gotta dance like this when y'all closure is lit. Smile, pose for the camera like flick, flick. Okay, y'all, I'm really feeling myself. Enough of this. This is how the wig turned out after I sewed it down. Let me know if y'all like it. Thumbs up, comment, and make sure y'all subscribe. And I'm gonna leave all my social medias in the description bar below per usual. Bye. Thanks for watching.